Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I am unboxing both Airdopes 1-to-1 TWS earbuds. So first of all, let me go through all the features that this bud comes along. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, you get instant connectivity with these TWS buds. Then there is single press voice assistant feature enabled. Then you also get easy access thanks to the controls over here. So let's start unboxing it now. Okay, so first of all we have TWS buds inside the case. So firstly you get a USB charging cable in the box. This is the cable with which you will be able to charge this device. Let me take them out for you. You also get 2 pairs of extra ear tips with both 1-to-1 TWS buds. So here is the user manual. I know that not a lot of you guys are fan of these things, but trust me, when you open the device for the first time, I suggest you go through them once. Here's the warranty card and a sticker that reads #I'm a boathead. Coming back to the TWS buds themselves, a very light case, not really heavy. You will be able to carry it around very easily. It also comes with a monitor that reads how much battery you have in the buds themselves. So right now these buds have 96% of battery life left. So here are the TWS buds themselves. So guys, this was the unboxing for both Airdopes 1-to-1 version 2. I hope you enjoyed this video.